All right, guys, so step one of the LevelSmart installation process is going to be installing the valve. We have the valve here. We have it plumbed right into the return lines after the pump going back to the pool. So we're going to use the return lines to get this water to the pool. We have it from a water spigot here behind the camera. I'll show you in a second. And so I just want to point out, this is a return line installation. We have the valve plumbed into the return line from a water source. The other option is to put into a designated fill line. So if you have a manual fill, you can plumb the valve directly in line with that to get that water back to the pool. So we're going to take you to the water spigot where we have our water source to supply the valve here into the return lines back to the pool. All right, guys, so this is going to be our water supply here. We just turn this on. I always recommend getting a splitter so that we can still have access to our water hose here. And then we also have, this is going to be to the autofill. This is our new autofill supply line. It's going to be attached to the valve over at the equipment. Then it's going to be into the valve, and then it's going to be going to the return lines, and that's how we get our water to the pool to keep our pool full at all times.